Hey, it's Kimmy, the Gadget Goddess, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to protect my Pixel 6 Pro that was sent to me by Google. Hashtag gift from Google. Hashtag made by Google. I received my Stormy Black Pixel 6 Pro today in the mail, and I was thinking, more than likely you've seen your share of unboxings of this phone. So there's no need for me to really shoot an unboxing. So I'm going to tell you how to protect the phone. Google is nice enough to send me a case for my phone. This is a Sage case, so it's green. Don't know how that shows up on camera. Also, got to make the device Kimmy-fied, as I like to say. If you're interested in one of these cutesy glittery cases for your Pixel 6 Pro, I'll leave a link in the description for it. Not, I'll leave the link in the description for the phone and the case that came directly from Google. But cases aside, you need a screen protector on this device. So I picked up these screen protectors from LK. We're going to install those for you today, show you how easy the installation is, and you might want to pick some of these up. I have just transferred my data, and you see the massive fingerprints that are already on this device. So let's get started. I feel like I'm gonna get trolled by the birds this whole video, but I've been shooting my last couple of videos inside, so I wanted to get outside since it was nice today. This pack comes with 2 camera protectors and 2 screen protectors. Now this isn't a skin for your phone. There's 2 installation kits as well, and a squeegee. I don't know what you want to call this. This is to keep your phone from moving while you're installing the protector. And they give you the website so you can go watch the video, which is on YouTube, to tell you how to install this. You're already on YouTube, and I'm getting ready to tell you how to install it, so no worries there. They included cute stickers for the phone in the screen protector. I will tell you, I can see Snoopy from here, and some hearts, and maybe a fish. But I'm not going to open these, because I don't really put stickers on my phone. It's cute. First, we're going to open up our installation kit. That's going to give us all our good stuff to clean our device off. Alcohol wipe, dust absorber, and just something to wipe the phone off with. We'll stash this squeegee over here and our screen protector here. First things first, they say you want to power down the device first. Make sure this is sitting on this little black thing and not on the table, because the camera does bulge out some. So the phone is powered down. You know I'm in direct sunlight, so I'm not trying to overheat the phone. We're going to wipe it off. Now that we've wiped the phone off, we want to take one of our dust removers and go to the phone and remove all the dust that we can off of this device. These are kind of like my hydrogel protectors, kind of, sort of, but not really. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. They gave you this piece. This piece goes into your charging port. So I'm going to stick that in my charging port, and I'm going to remove my screen protector. Now you see these 3 holes down here going through these 3 holes down here. They're trying to line it up for you so you don't have any worries about getting this correct. This has a 1, 2, 3 piece, just like my hydrogels, and I can already see bubbles in the screen protector before I install it. So that's going to let you know you might have some bubbles when you're finished, but we'll tell you how to resolve those. Want to try to get this straight as we can. And as you see up here at the top, my camera is poking out of that number 1 hole. Piece 1 is going to come up first. Just like we do on our hydrogels, we're going to push. Get as many bubbles out as you can. Okay? So I'm going to turn mine around. And this is when we're going to start on number 2. Now that we have 1 and 2 done, I'm going to turn this bad boy back around. This is when we go for piece number 3. This is not a matte finish. This is a glossy look, but it's a screen protector. This is when they said take your fingers and work the edges of this device. I see bubbles, it's fine. So I'm gonna use my squeegee to push the ends down, but it also pushes the bubbles out. They say use your fingers, but I see the fingers are leaving a lot of fingerprints on this. I'm going to use the same procedure with not as much work on the camera protector, because for each installation they gave us an alcohol wipe. So I have 4 total. There are fingerprints here because I've been handling the phone. The camera protector is actually tempered glass, which is hooray in my opinion. I believe it's this way because your flash is over here and you don't want a protector covering your flash. It will cause ghosting in your pictures. Gonna wipe this down, and then I'm gonna apply a case on top of that. Make sure my cases still work. The Sage case is gonna be fine because it leaves the camera bump wide open. And we're gonna wipe the phone down again because we have fingerprints. So there you have it, the installation of your screen protector for your Pixel 6 Pro. Protect those curved edges. You cannot use tempered glass on this unless you're using something like a white stone dome or some other screen protector like that. Oddly, it was hard to find screen protectors for this phone during pre-order. So I ordered this screen protector before pre-order started. I will leave a link in the description so you can pick these up if you're interested. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to drop by the channel anytime and check out more videos. They're here for your consumption. You might want to consider liking and subscribing. I'll catch you on the next video.